Oh shit, for the first time ever in a long ass time, are the red lights on? No, they're not anymore. The train already went through. There goes my content. I could have made that into a video. Just waiting for the train to go by. Bye, squid. Oh, that was a nice Aki over there. Oh, yep. Stop on red. My video has arriven. Here we go. I'm gonna be here for 3 hours. Oh, God damn it. Oh, we're reversing. Thank God. That is a whole lot of steel. If I'm not gonna lie, there's a shit ton of steel. Like, I don't know what they're hauling, but it's just a lot of steel involved in a train. I'm not gonna go until one of these cars goes. Oh, there's the brave soul.